heartfelt welcome to Vivoterra here and now. How does a belief work? There are so many gurus out there that are telling you how to reach your dreams and your goals. But why are so many people failing in reaching their goals and dreams? Because these gurus out there don't really know how a belief works, and therefore so many people don't understand when a belief works and how it works. And so many people are negatively programmed. They program themselves with beliefs like, I'm not good enough, I can't do that, I will never reach that, I'm sick, I'm poor, I'm alone, I'm lonely. Especially elderly people say like, I'm lonely, I'm lost, and so on and so on. But when does a belief work? When does a belief work? 3 areas. First, you have to believe it. You have to believe it without any doubt. Second, you have to know it. Means you have to understand it. And third, you have to feel it. So, and for an example, you believe that you are not good enough. It would not be that way. You believe that. You know that and you feel it. You feel like lost. You feel sick. You feel lonely. That's why it is that way. But we can change that. And yes, the deciding factor is you believe it with any doubt. And there is an important thing. You are so powerful that when you think you are not, you are not. You are so powerful that when you think you are not, you are not. It's your belief. So, and if you want that your belief is working, you have to believe it. That's very interesting. If you want that your belief is working, you have to believe it. So the best example is, if you believe that you are weak, stupid, ugly, and so on and so on, you believe that with any doubt. That's why your situation is that way. Your belief is working. And yeah, if someone says, I'm weak, I would never reach that. Yes, of course not. It's your belief. How is it working? Yes, your belief is working. It's your belief. Mea culpa. You own, always in our life, or in our lives, own responsibility. Mea culpa. So, and if you want to change your beliefs, you have to practice your positive beliefs every day. Just do it in practice. And that's why it is so important not even to think negatively, not even to allow yourself go into this deep frequency areas. Hold it up, hold it positive. So, and yeah, there is a saying, and this is again mea culpa. You can only reap what you have sown, and this is mea culpa again. So you must also be sure that this wish is right for you. And to do that, to know and to understand if something is right for me or is right for you. You have to again to learn how to listen to your heart, because our heart is always telling us the right direction, the right way. And then it will be our reality. Why is that so? Because everything happens to you according to your beliefs. Everything is happened to you according to your beliefs. That means your belief is working. Or everything that you ask for in your consciousness, if you believe it, you will receive it. If you believe it, you will receive it. And this important tenet is very difficult to understand correctly. That means we have to practice every day positive beliefs. And the question is, what about when I'm not alone with my beliefs? What about if two people are asking for something or believe in high frequency or investing their energy in high frequency areas? Positive beliefs. Yeah, the answer is then it intensifies or doubles. When both asks with true faith, then this power will not only double, but will amplify exponentially. It is therefore also possible 100 people can give peace to a city to 1 million people. So, and my heartfelt beliefs, for an example, my heartfelt beliefs, practice that every day. I live in joy and serenity. I'm full of cheerfulness and love. So, I dream and feel in the high vibrational realms. I receive and give kindness, goodwill, affection, and generosity. I receive and give candor, assurance, and compassion. And in faith, I experience gratitude for my health. I'm so thankful every day for my health. I live in freedom and in peace, and I'm unbounded awareness. I'm the center of the universe. Okay, how could you be the center of the universe? There is no center in this universe. So you and everybody else is the center of the universe. But you have to believe it. So I'm the center of the universe. And I am in the light. These beliefs have an impact of all of us. We can all formulate our own beliefs and thus live our reality in harmony. So please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. All the best, remain in peace until the next Here and Now.